Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing an unboxing for Boxycharm. I think it's showing it backwards, not exactly sure, my camera. Um, my name's Bree, Average Bree, because I'm just an average everyday person and I wanted to do unboxings. Not because I'm a beauty guru, because I'm not. I do love makeup, I do like to wear makeup, I like to try new things, and this subscription box is really awesome. $21, and it pretty much gives you 5 full-size items each time that you get your Boxycharm. On the 3rd month you can choose to get the Boxy Luxe, which is an additional cost, and you get 9 to 10 items that are every 3 months. So it's like $21.99 with shipping and taxing and all that stuff, and then an additional amount which equals up to like $50 if you get the Luxe box. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox today. Okay, so it's totally Boxycharm. Here's the little card, and it's going to be variation number 9. And the reason why I wanted to do these unboxings, because sometimes I don't always get what they get on YouTube. So I figured if the average person can just show what they're getting, still great products, it's just not always the same. So the first thing I'm going to open up is, sorry if you hear crinkling, my son is making noise. First thing I'm going to open up is this Pure Barbie Glitterly Pink Brightening Peel Off Mask. So I'm just gonna put that in the camera there, see if you can see that. And it's with licorice extract, green tea, vitamin B, and ginseng. Pardon the background noise. My air conditioner is really loud. We have a swamp cooler and they're just really noisy. So I'm gonna open this up. Okay, it doesn't smell like licorice. That's good. And, oh, okay. So it's like pink. And it says that it goes for $26. It's created in the 60th anniversary for Barbie. It's the mask packed with licorice extract, skin nourishing green tea, and vitamin B, ginseng, and 26 key botanicals. It's non-plastic glitter, and it's formulated to have immediate radiance for healthy looking glow. So I'm gonna go ahead and close that up because it's gonna spill everywhere, and that's not what I'm wanting. And then one thing I see in these boxes a lot is the Wander Beauty. I never heard of Wander Beauty until I started getting boxes. Blah. Okay, so this one is Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil, and it kind of reminds me of how the tube is for a previous product we got a few months ago, and it was a Prime Essence. But it's got that same kind of like tube. I'll just kinda, oh, it smells like roses. Roses smell good, but I'm not a big fan of roses in my oils. It does go on really smooth. It is a really nice texture. It really doesn't feel like an oil. This one is $42. Wow. Okay. So I don't know that I paid $42 for this small tube, but it feels great. It seems like it's a nice product. I'm going to go ahead and move on. The next item I have, I've seen this, I want to say in like a November box. I didn't receive it. Maybe it was October. I could be wrong, but it's the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. Let's see. These ones go for $14.99. So, Lashaholic lashes. I'll probably use them like once a year. I do like lashes from time to time. The next item we have here is Becca Cosmetics, which Becca seems to be having some really good products. I like Becca. It's a Hydra Mist Refresh Powder. So this retails for $39. It's a weightless powder that sets and refinishes makeup for a silky smooth invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, so the powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin. Let's see. Let's see what it feels like. Oh, this is different. Keep me closed to keep me cool. Okay. No. Oh. Oh, whoa. That does almost feel wet. It's kind of weird. It's like, but, well, that's pretty interesting. I can't wait to try this. I think this will actually be like a really good item to have for my box. And then the last thing is this Big Ego Tarte mascara. And this mascara, its wand reminds me of the Too Faced wand from the Better Than Sex line, and it even has like the metally container like it too. The only difference I see is it's like bright pink, so it's like super duper pink. I'm not going to open it because I still have some mascaras that I'm using, and I don't want to ruin the product, but that's what the wand looks like, and it looks like it's very similar to some of the other wands that they're starting to come out with. I really do love this style of wand, so I hope the formula is good. This goes for $23, which is it's about average price for a good mascara. So I'm gonna go ahead and add up all my products so that you can know how much my box total was. So we got 39, 42, 23, 26, and $14.99. Okay, so my box was I don't know if you can see that, was $144.99. It's not bad. Not bad at all. For a $21 box, you can't go wrong with this box. I will have a code linked in the description. It's just a code that, you know, they give us all codes when we sign up. If you want to use the code, you can go ahead and use the code. And thank you for watching. If there's anything you want to hear from me in the future, maybe some other types of unboxings or some other types of content, just let me know. Let me know if you like this video. If you like it, click the subscribe button and like the video, and then comment and let me know if there's anything I could do to make this channel better. Thanks for watching. Bye!